am excited to show you a volcano experiment. So let's get started. The ingredients we need are a small empty bottle, some food coloring, baking soda, one bottle of vinegar, and one cardboard box or waste paper to make a prism shape for the volcano. Now let's get started with the practical. First, we will cover the empty small bottle with this cardboard paper. Now it is in a prism shape. You have to add 5 spoons of baking soda. I've already added 4 spoons of baking soda. Now I will add 1 more spoon. Now I will add some food coloring. Now finally we will add vinegar to make the volcano erupt. As you see, the volcano is erupting. See, Papa.
Oh, these all are red lava coming out of volcano. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. The lava is boiling at very high temperature. Great.
So friends, I hope you enjoyed this experiment as I did. Now I will tell you the reason why this volcano looked as if it is erupting and lava is coming out. When I added vinegar into this baking soda, then it formed a gas called carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide gas made air bubbles and made the volcano look as if it is erupting and red lava is coming out in such high temperature. Thank you.